Best practices for TD Bank mobile banking begin with downloading and installing the official TD Bank mobile app from a trusted source such as the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and follow the enrollment process to set up your account. To securely access your account, create a unique username and password, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This feature will require both your login credentials and a verification code sent to your registered phone or email to access your account. Navigating the app is straightforward, with clear menus and intuitive icons. The dashboard provides an overview of your account balances, recent transactions, and any pending payments or transfers. You can click on each account to view detailed statements, including deposits, withdrawals, and any fees associated with your account. To make a payment or transfer, select the Pay or Transfer option from the menu. Choose the account you want to pay from, and enter the recipient's information. You can also set up recurring payments or transfers, allowing you to automate regular transactions such as bills or savings deposits. TD Bank Mobile Banking also offers the ability to deposit checks remotely using the Mobile Deposit feature. Simply select the account you want to deposit into, enter the check amount, and take a photo of the front and back of the check. The funds will be available in your account after the check has been processed. To stay on top of your finances, set up account alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, or suspicious activity. You can also use the budgeting tool to track your spending and stay within your means. Finally, to ensure your mobile banking experience is secure, keep your device and app up to date, use strong and unique login credentials, and avoid using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks to access your account. By following these best practices, you can safely and efficiently manage your finances using TD Bank Mobile Banking.